simple. Yes, Christo. I am not ready.
Also, you go close to someone.
Nyankopon e wo ba bi obetena ase. I just say first 30 minutes. First 30 minutes. I can't so I apart so.
Man, the family Nyankopon abi. Also, you go close to someone. And you will be here. A person limited Nyankopon or boss running as Nyankopon to be nyaba. None of them know Nyankopon or back, but only by your friend Jesus and Yeshua. Back up at David. Jane Nyankopon ba. Sarah, and 10 years ago, or to be man over ya. Nyankopon your bars are. Nyankopon to about it. Obey or say a TV new show. I am a yes, a Nyankwaji. As what with a day your proper now. When you translate a name, it doesn't make it a name. Kofi Atuma can translate it. Nipa from the way to Minyako. Nyankopon from Nipa Bako, your friend Jesus, your friend Yeshua, your friend Yeshua. The character was invented. So Nyankopon to be part of me. No one will be a ship. Nyankopon to be ma if you free Adam Mubaye. Once a very mauda. And the Bible no man practically said Nyankopon will back. The whole Old Testament. There be when Nyankopon can solve back. And then Nyankopon will be only Papa de Biase. Don't say it doesn't have a father. It doesn't make sense. You tell Hebrews chapter 1 now. Okay, Charles and Nancy, give you any idea. You did that so. And one of them, you are my young woman. Now, give you any more. Obey to me, Swahili. Nyankopon will also over. In a sober here, and as a woman. And answer stories. Never Yamu, Nipa Yaman, Nyankopon for Nipa. It will be super so sad. Woman, I have a cassette. And my future mother was there by yellow crap. Won't you tell me better? Now, I'm going to catch him. Or say, or when I get me, no, or what's the assay? Never put that in somebody. I could have 3 banana who's the assay. What do you mean? Said that picture me one verse in the Old Testament. I am to cross and go back. Now, let's want to balance the assay now. The word to be a simple. Let me stand up your family village. Critical takers of Africa. We are saying in Africa. There is a town of Azamaba. Christopher Chicken, the Virgin, one of Elias Kata, Christianity, Genesis here. People can never be. Oh, no, free so I have no more but to say, Yankopon. Go back now, Yankopon. Good. Oh, we are more. I can't Johnson Water. I got to put in the beer from what I'm a Joseph Babo Pie. Oh, Yankopon is unstable. So, to say, I eat your 16 crucified Christians. What's the one you book here? Some people now go to a book and over farm. What Papa will come on, say, Nipa, and it's not Nipa in your many and your common sense, and yet conscious, but that's a child. I'm not going to tell me, I'm not going to cross my face for the book. Catch us when you're not the woman, my intimidation, and my own power has said, just a thing and century, my first matter, and the women I can be. Abraham, I did and Nippon Church or Ditima. Now, so for an example, yellow. And Christopher, so far, what yes, he got, who you put it, won't come back once a month. I'm not going to never be a no, it is a son of a cousin, a big friend for the one. Oh, yeah, I mean, you don't go on the demand. That's just as limited. That is a bit of a correct. And don't come on, no, this guy should be angry with me. The young woman, now, ready to answer. That is the Bible, the God was that Virginia, I'm trying to tell Jesus. And then we can have a bassy of the rest. And then he's the presence of Abraham. People say, every pastor will touch miracles. No, no, that's a meaning twice in our. I never heard that. No, common sense. Let me say, no, Jesus will know. I didn't check the only couple. No, quite like the Dovidians. He did not have a common sense. And you mean a nice of our show. And you Jesus now with you. And we're all go on some of that. Because God is a wicked man. I mean, don't know if it's and I'm asking the watch now, so the other side up to us. So
Let me
Consultation fee no ay $300. One person about a partial appointment or more extra do and on a person about private special appointment of 500. The only person about privately or private so and be a son of can say consultation fee $300 Monday and Wednesday over a crowd or some kind of
share video. Share video in my wife.
Free. The consultation so young to finance me the pastor. I'm so fun of the money and you will to ya. One son of what I say, over the Tia, no delay. So, they have been a sort of work. They ask the episode of the map. They come up with the mouth of one. Family so much also one. And family to one.
My friends, foolish born again Christians who are believers and not thinkers. You lie to them, they believe it. You deceive them, you know the Christians, born again Christians, are the easiest people to deceive. Yeah, Pastor Gandhi says they like to be deceived. As a matter of fact, when I started ministry as a young man, I was talking to an older, I wouldn't call him man of God, but an older practitioner. You know, the way, people who are ahead always want to advise young people. So this older guy, he had supposedly been in ministry for a long time, and he called me, he says, young man, I like you, I like the way you teach. But he says, one thing about people, they like to be deceived. And he says, you have to deceive them. Oh yeah, he told me that. He said, you have to deceive them, because if you don't deceive them, they'll go to somebody else to deceive them. So deceive them yourself. That's what the older practitioner told me. Because he had learned the trade. And he had realized human beings generally don't think. And especially when they get born again, their spirits start working, their brains freeze. There's no intelligence afterwards. So they start running. Some of you are sitting here in this nice church, you still run after a prophet and go and give all your money to him. And the next day he comes, you do the same. And the next day you do the same. Somebody is deceiving you, but you are willingly participating. Because the foolish man does not consider consequence. He doesn't sit back to analyze and say, I took that step last year, what are the results?
Command is simple. Yes, Christo. I am not praying. I say first 30 minutes, first 30 minutes.
Also, you go close to someone, and you will be a person limited Yankopon or Bosro Yasas, Yankopon to be Yamba, none of your mamma, Yankopon, but only by your friend Jesus and David. Jane Yankopon, Sarah, and 19 years ago, or to be man, Yankopon, Yankopon, about it, Ubania. Or say, a TV show. I had your month, yes, it didn't watch you. A day proper now. When you translate a name, it doesn't make it a name. Kofi Aduma can translate it. Nipa from the way to Minya, Nanya Popon from Nipa Bako, your friend Jesus, your friend Yahshua, your friend Yeshua. The character was invented. Sanya want to be other me. No one knew here. Sanya want to be ma if free other Mubaye. Comes up a Mauda. And the Bible practically said, Yakupon, the whole Old Testament. Baby, when Yakupon can song about. And then Yakupon will be only Papa de Rias. No one as the father. It doesn't make sense. You tell Hebrews chapter 1 now. Okay, so say nothing. Did you hear the idea? That's what and one of us. Then you are my young woman. Now, did you hear the one obey to me? Sorry, Yanko or so. In a so bad idea, and as a woman. And unnecessary stories. That they are you. Nipa Yaman. Yanko Pompo Nipa. It will be super society. Woman, I have a cassette. And my future mother will say, by yellow bread. Won't you move an RV? Now, I will be catching. Or say, our Panya gave me, no, or was here. Never look at this about the African banana with Yes, in Africa. There is a town of Azamaba. Christopher Chicken, the vegetarian also.
Yo, every share for, and then you bring so the better about there. The better, Muna must say, Yasabishi and then you bring tea. My name Breno, Yawadi Shaki to be about this year. I'm saying, now you're started Old Testament, and what is your vision? And I see about impressive Chebi. Yaba pet near corner point to point. It's I said. Yen pese be lesson na yet tin ye be say ye born a tofa say be ye nyina ye betumi ate ase ma men kan nyina in a nutshell me chechi am nyina Ghana fo mpanyifo am hwe na me nua no me papa me ma me ma mo hwe na mo boade nhira mo say from day one mo support ye up to nde ye guso a ye church movement ye start ye e ko nanim pese me kan bi keto a bi say mate say Miss Bell any jetly mo a video bi I mean, canon tell you know any problem be now I am evolving. I am a media back system say in the history of our country. Obia will be that, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm proud of my boys, P Black, Yahuda, and everybody around me. I am proud of Common Sense family. Esan say, ye the musi wo say ye be elevate your mind, ye nuanom and the future generations. Ye frad ye be say doctrine. I friend and church. Doctrine will keep you in a box. TNA, doctrine will keep you in a box and will prevent you from thinking as a rational human being. Instead, said Nipa, over dream, no one dream they do it, no. As solid, at the idea by a friend doctrine, religion. And the doctrine, and the wish box more, to me is a sour dream. Nature said, Methodist, ever Methodist said the Tiana, and because it's a reassay. And the Methodist and church, yes, son, and two come Methodist. Now we are solid paying we are elder. Now usunya adiebi. Now a bro Methodist and church so adie pamo. Now just say wo ba be say asole no. Now the say wo ba be say asole no. Ye wo Pentecost and church. Pentecost and church no will put you in the box of Pentecost. Omo ka tons omo wone mo gidie. Uni wo kwan say wo dream outside the Pentecost box. E to ko fan church bi ba pe. Hey, wo be so late ya asole apamo to say SDA. Islam and Kremosum sa Islam will put you into the box of Islam. Want to mean dream outside. First, number sa I want church. Now me say no. I was saying the part dream tradioni. We are Pentecost near. SDA for church. Tie kakra na dream na we. So who compare? Don't say no. What the problem on? En Kremo for church. Who na ko presby no tie Kremo for church. Now, Jim Hoke say, in Cremophobia, and then yet Odiano, the way they make sense. Oh, yes, sir, you will evolve. And may the system be about may breaking every box, and I be evolving. Now, in the process of evolving, say, the minimum, ochna, they will say a wrong one, met watching it, met for Sana yet Jane, Sana Nipa Jane, and Uti, and a woo year, you may be, no, you may not, I was a jai, now a perfect from. What's our living, our learning quia? Would jai, now up our lefofro. Only will be chimpna and planting quia. Wouldn't it jai, no up with fofro? That is life. And to me evolving. Now, I shall sell. Make me free Christosunu, and Jew for an check, my new Juni, but let me the Jew for the cheap. Now, me the Obiachi, and let me stedino. Now, me the Jew for the chino, and when I miss Babacano, Miss Bell, Enye me ni Miss Bell na common sense family. Enye me ni Jetly na common sense family. Enye me ni P Black na common sense family. Eye me out of my infifimu and I'm just starting a common sense family. And I'm invite you on mobile. And Miss Bell be come home. She's a very wonderful person, she's a good person. But we make a statement to be said, I don't need a book. Me person me say Old Testament no problem wo enu nti no ne me anante no tianye ntokwa enye bufuo Miss Bell enye me boni bia and Miss Bell e bi ka se no sponsor me there bi on sponsor bia but ne ye be debate em se mu nyina mo kai na oboa ye 1005 me ne obedia ne ye hia 3000 Ghana and mama ye 1005 she's a very good person ye koni fie ye didi ye bibia bom but me kan sa no mistake o mo ye ne say e wo san ko ma ye hia no mu bisa say Old Testament no ehim fa na problem wo omo mbisa me from a omo mfa bio e na omo gyan mechi nti problem bi anim ye na ye nua no me from up to now omo mfa nti eja I have to move on in life nti problem me no be any problem e na meti eku meti WhatsApp group bi e na me hu say vampires bi be rewrem even mpanyimfo mi ye no na me ka de ekoso a e nsempi me nyo obi a me de personal issues eba social media ye mfa nto nchen I have a whole nation and a whole continent to elevate. The American, I have a whole nation called Ghana and a whole nation called Africa to elevate and to enlighten. And I don't want anybody to joke with me and my movement. And I can be black na Yahuda, but my mom warning. Say, Obi onim, not them a common sense family, baby, I don't know. Me my name for the Totoro. Me say, I'm a more beati as here. Mate say, they be make critic groups. Mesramo. So, what any group be. Na group no common sense family na me ni mu a twe ho free o ko dwane group bi na because movement ma register common sense family ma ko register o ko dwane ekuo bi na obi ji usika be committee se me microphone bi the common sense no jiska ene ma bi bu ekuo no ene bi keka nsem bi enya sa na te people like odinai wa high ne dan ene no me to curtains man no ko trani dem obi anje obi secondary me nje obi sika me nje obi kaprendi nti ye to aso me ma ka kira mo me ji na nanom di and I'm saying, anybody, what I come in once somewhere, Casman, you go and sit somewhere and lie about me, the Roman and I'm Dean. Now I touch now near the Google form, Nananoma Casamano. Me mean Jammy Rade, because a Radina Mumu creating a Casano, only a Saman on your way, no German, Nanano Diamane. I am drunk and I am fighting for my nation. Anybody to us saying, and it's not black people. Now 77 previous, Yahuda Casembi. Say, opeying message de aba say ni pe bi ntiase a na me nim say de omo dwen say be previous omo mu didi matem no kra no in your lifetime have you seen somebody enlighten people like this movement before? We are proud of ourselves and we are proud of what we are doing. Madam Nasi, yeah, starting with the Old Testament. When you speak, you repeat what you know, but when you listen, you learn something new. Yahuda. When you speak, you repeat what you know, but when you listen, you learn something new. So kasa, they will name and I will repeat it. But say what here, ubeshiya abia fofo. Mami explain to what is so we say Old Testament problem wo e wo say wutie. Sa me ka say phone we. Sa me ka say phone we problem of phone e ho a. Na no just say phone in your papa. Me and no just say phone in your papa. But me say there was a problem with the phone. Be a phone on the screen na nye. Me ye teachings why. Be a screen no e na nye. Ana say be a ne keypad no e na nye. Baby a phone is a good phone. Ana be a phone problem be any one but a stolen phone. Because the Old Testament problem on one. And not just a book no your papa. Debbie and some poem. Dabi tapi anymore. And some bebre wom na omo de nyama trafem. Mama nye me clear. Nobody in the Old Testament existed. Abraham biam be wiaseda. Adam biam be wiaseda. A coded book. Any moral lesson and the Old Testament they teach you. And omo de entro any name be rewrem. Nyankopon na hu Old Testament. Your friend El. H the your friend Yahweh no. And you only Nyankopon and to your boss on asasi o. Make them na. Why? El wo ho mekere and wakasa Elohim uni be free and ka oyem be show Any yawe no debi eno no boss ro ni asase debi no inventing books no na ade ba ko e good Old Testament no say e stolen legacy Africa for your culture enu be ebre bi am ji Old Testament ni no obi kan sa ma me bubu free yo ba me nya botre se debi ma me nyi hwehwemu na me hu se ni nan no kre Old Testament characters Abraham, Isaac, Jacob obi am be wiase debi obi am be wiase abofo akọ ne nchen obi am be wiase a eya nyankopon ne kasa na yesua moral lesson if it is a quick story America say me tell say you can quick story dia kire wa kwekwa na nse bia ma wiase o kwekwa na nse bia ma wiase okonore ene hwenhwen obi am ma wiase ba say you can kwekwa na nse story dia kire wo na wuyi din na wutie se de kwekwa na nse bo ne bra se de wokonore bo ne bra se de ye na ubetumi afa nyansasem enie free kwekwa na nse story ni na wo de abo bra wotwe ene akrante bi tena enwure ensi da na mo utia na nsasem na ubenya nyansasem na de abo bra sa na tie sa na bible na tie na nse bi hihemu a eno na me di be kire wo se enfri nyankopon na enipa bi na troi na baby wo ho a it make sense just as the Quran menji Quran ni by your verses bebre wo Quran mu a wo de bo wo bra e good your verses bebre e wo New Testament ya wo de bo bra e ye ba me what ya se onyankopon biara ensalim ba mountain Sinai any microphobia ankasai emfa book nshow bi ansem Moses intro book bia enti Genesis to Deuteronomy nipa 4 na try nipa 4 there were the Deuteronomist, the Yahwist, the Elohist, and the Yahwist, and Crawford 4 and the Troy scribes 4 enti ayensempi metro dingina me benji for I was having 3 great rabbis. I asked them questions, they couldn't answer me. I said, no, I did not go. Maybe some more origin, almost one as the same. My trim home. Yanti or Sundia, I have friend of Kemetism. Yanti some. Yet the other said, we are Asantinia, Ya Santini. Bob Rapa. Dia Santi Famamaso. Who now quite your baby uncle? Now, who said, 2 million or more Sony assassin, and the other that Fabian Ponquame, or Nigger, or Niba, only I saw that you call this command, Debbie. Bob Papa, be a sincere and a good person. Now build the woman. We are ever near, ye ever ni, Ubeyanqua. We are Santini, ya Santini, and only one mamma. We are Basarini, ye Basarini, we are Bruce, we are Gonja, we are Dagombeni, we are Mamprusinia, ya woman Prusini will clear Pimini, na yet yan tear some. Never say, baby Africa for Yasifrino, and ye ancient Egypt. That your friend of Kemet. Na ye use of the Kemetism, Yanti Sumbia, and Unti, and members, Miss Obian Kofi and Copobra, and Francia and number. John Person and Asolo, or no one, and Asoli, many problem, many Asoli, many Sofo, Medin the Avram bin Moshe, Bible see Romesi, Aginino, Ayatuma. I am here to enlighten my people. Me, I am Webia, Mediba 2 when him the Bab one on Wedja, that's me, no crack, Ayaba Cope. Yet was to empty and then a Genesis chapter 3. Yawa baby, I'm starting free. I will cause more damage than good. Not me start here free baby. Well, I'm making the baby because I will end up crashing the brain of other people. I didn't hear. What religion and the Bible not do so much. I say without the Bible they cannot survive. And you may start in a gradual. Tell your baby, openal gland and other things. Openal gland, I find the 3rd eye. Diano. Men piano kakra, na wuhu, na young bedroom pensoa, and what's a year through our brabum. Africa for you come backwards because of religion and because we don't think. I'm not sure Bible, no. The Bible was encrypted. And a code. In the Bible, no, there were 2 ways of reading the Bible. There was the surface reading. Bible no, there was the surface reading. A name story no. If it's Yasiano, Nakopon Bosronia Assassin, now Assassin, and here surface reading. And you want another layer na omo create Bible no omo na hear from say Illuminati they want to control the world and so omo throw books no in a coded form omo code no and tell you mo wo ni no mo na be who keys to understand the secrets behind but yena yet say enwan na ye di kire no ya kind story na ya for the say true story Genesis chapter 3 me be decode the akire jiwasumletie Genesis 3 e wa na kire wo no wo ba no a wukodi duaba a Nyankopon tumi nipa no dabi enye wo dabi enye wo ba ne be ma dabi ye ba besua ye ba kind story no ye wi a na me decode the akire it Genesis chapter 3 decoding Genesis 1 me ba so Genesis 2 me ba so but in the Genesis 3 code ben and the shower na di enti no mo kire Genesis chapter 3 ba cho kan verse 1 kan
was onipa asone
o kire asoden a onipa ye onipa asoden kan ye
was that all you tie e kire rem mad mare na ko ye wonyina
me ba cha was wo eye nitie e kire mo ani na yawda you like to man me ba cha enye wo bi onam wa o de kan ye sere
was that all ye nitie
o se na wo o ye nitie
e kire rem mad mare na ko ye wonyina
wo ni ye nitie chen emwo ni na that means snake wo dem fa sa o ye nitie chen emwo ni na to so e
no o ka che ban say
e na wo ne ka kire oba aha ni problem no wo se wo kan a wo betie sa na se story na wo ye nitie e che rem wan nyina e na o ka kire oba ne se wo kasa be ba cha wo kasa da bi so bi odi Jew for dechi rabbis na see enye wo it is not a snake adentia wo nkasa na wo kasa de osanka o kasa to today me no nipo ka kire wo ne say snake keep quiet don't talk again emu nkasa enye wo dabi me be kire ma de kro a wo ne oba ne kasa enti wo ba ne nyo oba wo ne nye wo na de onwe kodi no a o ma ye no wo no enie wow the spinal cord oh said the spinal cord which don't pay no it is shaped in the form of a snake any spinal cord no yawda dumfo family kan your spinal cord no eno no mo dia snake no okay see me di kodi ria o beti ase ti bibla kama me
na okacha ban say
na wo won ka kire wo ba wo won ka kire oba ne se ampara
onyankopon ka say
na se wo ene wo ba na e kasa enti wo won ka kire wo ba enyo oba o me kire wa de pro wo won ka kire wo ba ne se ampara nyankopon ka se
muni trom ha dwi na bi
ma muni trom ha bia ni na bi
na oba ne ka kire on say
na wo ba ne ka kire wo won sam se onipa di bia ba no na nipa ni bie ehunu papa ene bone meaning omunye ndi bia ba no no munim papa any bonnet, but even the ability to reason, how to reason, it is how to reason in you are or ban cry again, any one credit for say minty and a minty. That means Bonnie and can you buy a choice because I don't know answer. Or dear, be a very woman answer. It doesn't make sense. But and you code into my young son into people at Joshua.
No one ever won't say.
And now Bano catch it one into one and be some Bano say, Yankupon Sama Mundini Nebiana, can you say?
No one catch won't say.
And now Bano a catch it one say,
Some have been here about
and now Obano puts a hundred say, or Bani Munyansa. There's only in the other good Yansa. And now Obano a catch a snake, what one say,
Some have here about
Troma and Vanity, the next one in here, your spinal cord, your children don't pay away, and only almost like a snake or one. Without this, we cannot survive. Now, the spinal cord, no? Baby, I found the pineal gland, and you found the third eye, and then baby, I make it. You put the insight in without this spinal cord, the human being cannot survive. And she no say no a nitier. Esne emwo nyina enye wo eno ye nitie esne emwa na emom dia moye higher ability of intelligence no the pineal gland was spinal cord it ye nitie nankasa we nitie nankasa no eno ne was spinal cord ento a chese wo no o ye nitie e che mbo pa cho ne ne ache abe wo ni mnyansa che chimpanzee wo ni mnyansa che chimpanzee daddy wo oni munyansa nchen elephant wo oni munyansa enchen tatia wo wo ni munyansa nchentatia na mum eye code eye wo penile gland no eye fa the third eye enti so wo ni munyansa bebra na sia kwa ne penile gland no eye adwuma pa aha tena proverbs say onyansafo de na niwa ewo ni tirim onyansafo na niwa ewo ni tirim eye fa the penile gland everything no say wo no oye nitie ese wo nyina da bi eye wo ye nitie enti people like to aswe
no one e ka che won say
yawda fa blackboard ne bra yawda that's all me ka chira mo ya baby ya say nyame o say yesua no yensua halfo ke be no man kan che say free shit hole agini nya djuma agino ye kan buka ye kan na ne ya ko yawda dum no chi dum no kra good enti mamen draw e yini yi the tree of life na no ani o e ya adwen and the spinal cord no it is say bia en amo ma toy ye nyanse nyina wo be bia bifu ani na wo mom ya ta ga wo say wo firi bonsam en ti say bia wo ni bia enti bia wo say the tree of life na ni o me wie na the Bible quotations asa kire wo me wie na mo Bible no actually say the tree of life na ye wadwene enti the tree of life bi ani na enti tree of life no and when enye bia bi a Nyankopon boy ya odikosi garden finfin davi odi pene engina ho say ya finfin eni wonsa left or right finfin eni enti be dane me ho a finfin no eye fiributi the brain and the backbone and chewumienu and the see garden finfin. The garden is the human body and your life. Only the garden of Eden. You can be a garden of Eden or you can be outside the garden of Eden. A curse. Ni pediano. Nani pediano enfin enie. Enti piano si garden infin. Enye garden de bia ko si infin. Dabi adwin any spinal cord they see the pediano infin a achemienu a control left and right and you find the middle of the garden and you can say Eden is your life. Eden a place of pleasure. Your friend say heaven and if you can say heaven lost heaven regained na just say Nyankopon go Adam no na your garden of Eden and you money and you free garden mu and the religion ambassador bobra papa na daachi was a garden of Eden. So what you say and yes sanity there Eden means place of pleasure. There be any any place the describe situation into Eden no your life. Your friend say heaven only the life it means you are in Eden. Now person what's not Eden now we living as someone living in heaven. You have to eat the fruit of life, the fruit of knowledge of good and evil. And you will be in Eden. When you are doing here, you will be in a curse and hell. Your life will be miserable. Make sure maybe you know we better code nasi. Anna, you can say snake, but just say spinal cord. And a woman no. Woman no. Woman in your body. Woman in your feelings, which is the heart. The woman stands for the heart. And see, say women connect from the heart, which is feeling. And too emotional. They connect from the heart. And man, reasoning. Men connect from the brain. Ben be a connect here or connect free now being. Sign of men are connected. Women feeling or bedroom feeling, heart, and a man reasoning, the brain. Any feeling the casa, meaning the spinal cord, which is the snake, which is the snake, speaks to your feelings, emotions, speaks to your heart. Wow. Akumano or deceive, ageno or decide. If you act from the heart, will be a mistake. But ageno or general, today I say, when you are going into a relationship, don't only go with your heart. Take your brain with you. Oh, the akumana kwa obeya. Enti the spinal cord speaking to the woman, which is our feelings, our emotions, which is the heart. Any analogy, any encryption. Na say di pediano, uno say dia babyano, akumana started. Your feelings, spinal cord no, and the kuta uni pebia when ni online wanu ubi bia or spinal cord, and the new feelings kasa. Say adi chawa or spinal cord and sending message no. The nervous system is connected to the spinal cord. Enti akumano, spinal cord ni akumane kasa. Tuaswe.
Na aban e catch one say.
I know about catch what feelings no, e catch spinal cord just so be decided. E catch say.
Show me how e abano.
Show me abano. No say we be taking decision na agena started digesting. Menye. Tuaswe.
Nesu e si fifi na bande.
Na e bia na si tro ni fifi na bande de. Onyankopon ka say. Mundibi.
Enso mo fam sa.
Mo fam onsanka. Na mo enwu.
Na won catch one say.
Na say e bia ba no. Nyankopon ka say mo mundi bia no. No mudi bia no bewu. Enti na nkrofo bi say Adam na Nyankopon ka kire Adam say wudi bia na wo bewu. But Adam ni Eve did so anya dai. Omu enwu. Say when did the fruit of knowledge of good and evil are? Death, no? There is nothing called death. Death is illusion. Human beings don't die. There be a separation of spirit and body. Now body now got dotty. Now soul ne ko na wasan so aba. Metre reincarnation na nche. It's death no be any ho. Death ni illusion. The death a wo ko no a lie. A nada. Owu be any ho. Into be mu de ko won be ka to so e.
Na won e ka che oban say.
And no wo be yi secret no. Muntie secret won de ba. Enye wo ba me tram say a coded book. And wo won de ka say.
Enye wo na be wo.
Ote. Spinal cord the drama intelligence. I can say there be one of us will that means dead people are not dead, they are dead. It's a conference. Oh, a separation. Body in the court at the end and to me back to life. Without death, the forces of good and evil exist together. Without evil, there won't be any good. So if evil do a good in you, say cry or soon you are laughter be in you. Say black, say darkness in you are, and light in you. Everything exists, positive and negative. And you say to me, it's kind.
No, I want to catch one say.
And I want to catch them bar feelings say.
And you want to be
or kind of play, and you would now be
now
on young coupon him say.
That would be no.
Share the 1 acre. And that will be you know.
When you baby.
When you bad
baby.
Ubeti into any the tree of knowledge of good and evil. About good and evil, and you bring them. But the good and evil, and you baby is soon a mango, pawpaw, watermelon, and I say a alasa. And I gibo. And you dear, a yagino. Again, and the good and evil is here. We digest and then you choose one. And see, your fellow, the good inclination and the evil inclination. And see, the piano, spinal cord, the feelings in the bar. Now, a dream you know about quiet, knowledge of evil. Many, knowledge of good. No jam, no with the free choice. And choose to buy quality. Who be winning now? It's people that can't have.
Now, Onyankopon him say.
Now, Onyankopon him say.
And that be no.
And that be about the fruit, no.
When you be
fruit, no, so your actions, your decisions. The fruit is your decisions you make. That will be no any action. Decision before action. Decision before action. And who decide? You know, you say fruit. Action. And what's here? What you there? Who be it's Yahuda. What you want to say? Men call rob bank, and the ababone. Men call, and the ababa, as well, the ababino. Action. action abeteke no wate ba kwa ye de edi eno na de enimkwase ana ehira be de ebebrɛ eno ani o eno ani ene de akɔfɔre Adam ne Hawa ene wo kasa people akenkan yankwe
na onyankopɔn nim sɛ
ɛda
bebie no
ɛda mo beti no
mo ni bebie
mo ni tia mo ni bebie
na ma yɛ sɛ onyankopɔn
you be like God what tia sɛ wo ɛna wo bu hu sɛ wo nya nyankopɔn a me ka kyerɛ me Abraham bin Moshe I am a God me ka kyerɛ wo me ye nyame sɛ wo nya nyame atena ho kan yɛ sɛ
na ma yɛ sɛ onyankopɔn
ɔsi ɛda mo bedi piaba no mo ni bɛ dɛ
mo ni bebie
mo ni bebie
na ma yɛ sɛ onyankopɔn
na mo yɛ sɛ onyankopɔn me ba tɔ onyankopɔn bɔ adeɛ no we try the problem aba onyankopɔn bo nipa ewo ni suban so sɛ na nsa so wa mo wi ɛyɛ den na yɛ bɛka sɛ ɔmo di piaba na nsa mo yɛ sɛ onyankopɔn me si book ni yɛ coded book we are gods be yɛ nyame wo yɛ nyame yɛ nyinaa yɛ nyame Psalm 82 verse 6 kenkane ba bɛm
Psalm 82
mo amu book ya mo nsua me send the code di ama mo free SHS kai
Psalm 82
Psalm 82 verse 6 media
makase mo yɛ nyame
mo yɛ tio media makase mo yɛ enyame
na mo nyinaa yɛ ɔsusuni no
na mo nyinaa mo yɛ ɔsusuni ne ma kai brofo Yahuda de brofo man wow enti the tree no and so say piano well the brain and the spinal cord I jam the pineal gland and the tree of life the tree of good and evil knowledge of good and evil will brain Eden with life meaning heaven place of pleasure and you'll be in heaven is not a place heaven they describe this situation who any jemua heaven hell you need jebi and nipa akodem and a snake no jam the spinal cord and a woman no woman jam feelings and our heart women connect from the heart and a man no jam reasoning into feelings na started here or the back of my reasoning can you say Psalm 82 verse 6
you are gods
you are gods I said
all of you
are
children of the most high
tine nyame enti o ka se eda wo be di biaba no we ni be bie na mo ye se nyankopon ye to aso enti eye good and evil and me nipa ye to say nyankopon because Bible na okuta na kasa wo nyankopon o ye both good and evil anoni Isaiah chapter 45 verse 5 wa wo nyankopon o ye evil and good papa o boni o otalemubi
Isaiah 45
verse 5
number 5
can you remember
was it many irade
tie many wo nyankopon o me say there is God but that God is not the God of the Old Testament and the God of the New Testament or the God of the Quran there be that God met them one day why kind of
was it many irade
na obi wa wo nyankopon no Isaiah 45:5 o say many irade na obi ani ko biom
onyankopon ino wo se me nko a
yo magiatu na wo nyankopon bi ani wo se me nko a
na mbo aboso
o se me na me bo wa boso na su ni me
e wo hu efi ewia pieye
we hu na mfiri ewia pieye ene atoyen so
se obi ani ho
ya wo da fa brofo no se obi ani ho age me nko a
many
irade na obi ani ho biom
me na me bo han
wo nyankopon no o se me na me bo han
na me bosum
me nyankopon me na me bosum
me ma asomdie
me nyankopon me ma asomdie
na me dia amane ba
me na me dia amane ba
me irade
na
me wo nim nyina
me na me yi we nyina me wo nyankopon se papa o boni o me ni nyankopon na de ne chi no o ye both good and evil enti no ka say me yo nyankopon ni nkumfo ametua eja no emu yo soka efa maso ekosi a won to atoaso miensa ene enan a wota me so na me ye mpempem a wodome na wodi me mran san so adoye or ye both good and evil kind of na fe Isaiah chapter 45 verse 5
I am the Lord.
Thank you, P Black. I am the Lord.
There is no other God.
There is no other God.
I will give you the strength you need.
I will give you the strength you need.
Although you do not know me.
You do not know me.
I do this.
So
that everyone from one end of the world.
Everyone from one end of the world
to the other.
May know that I am the Lord.
And that there is no other God.
And that there is no other God.
I create both light.
And darkness.
I bring both blessings.
And disaster.
I the Lord.
I the Lord.
Do all these things.
It's both good and evil. sana nipa te nipa so ye good and evil nipa yentumi njai our evil side da evil side ni beba na papa na ba but you try say you remember your good side no overshadow the bad side. It's na Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 20 be black or say Ecclesiastes 7:20 untumi it's na Christianity adane burden. Christianity person just say bra bokrum je holy untumi njai bone hey wonu mo sawa ye bone hey una ne get shakona hono hey and so hey oh it's Christianity ni person just say ye holy but untumi and untumi say obi a Christian no ye bone pe no person will give you up in life. Yen ka say ye bone there be ye wo enfumso mistakes ye beba any what share that say wo ko ye bone. Christianity tells you be 100% perfect. Your Bible verse of prayer say be ye therefore perfect as your Father who is in heaven is perfect. What do I say? Matthew chapter 5 verse 45. Can I?
Matthew 5:45.
Matthew 5:45. Yasamu.
Matthew chapter 5
verse 45.
Verse number 45.
Matthew 5:45. Yahuda patrol you fast.
What's it?
Entimonya pe. And 48.
Verse 48.
Matthew chapter 5 verse 48.
Entimonya pe.
Entimonya pe.
Say the moja also no so air pe.
Say the moja also no air pe. Kind of na Matthew 5:48.
Matthew 5:48. What's it? You must be perfect.
You must be perfect.
Just as your Father in heaven is perfect.
Just as your Father in heaven is perfect. But to me. Who to me? And then the one Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 20.
What's on party ni bien any asase.
Only party ni bien any asase so.
Papa.
Or your papa.
Na onye bone.
No onye bone. Ebe. Ube to jai bone. Who to me? By yen shadan ko ye. Enti from so ne ba. Na we nu ho. Na we jai. Na we ko ne nim enti abrabo no. Eye. Wo ye hye. Na we ye nyu. Wo ye hye. Na we ye nyu. Wo ye hye. Na we ye nyu. Sa na e boy e bra. Enti to se so fo bi akoye bone bi a. O ye nipa. But mu na mu ye mu holy into be mistake ya na ebu ni se wa bomusio and both good and evil exist. It is in us, it is in the brain. Yan trust on the so people can
what's the obani mu se bian e se wodie
after obadi be decide any all feelings no o be decide and obani mu say edua no e wo say ye di
na eye ni wafe
na esan so ye eni wafe
na edua no e akodo
na edua no san ya kono
na beti
eni eni ti ana wo eni tie fatu trim eni tie aha na hye na beti eni to aso e
into what never be
enti oba no o taking decision feelings no woman stand for feeling woman your feelings yo which is the heart enti heart no ji ade ni tu mo no and a heart taking decision no to aso e
na odi
na o ti no ya de o decide no ene che say wa bo utrim say wa bo adwen ne po eno ana me eno ni o ti di no to aso e
na odi bi ma ni kunu a o ka no ho
and odi ma ni kunu enti oh, the soul, your soul lives in your brain and sits on your heart. And the akomano any adweno omo ya walefo ba ko yo ba ko ya bema akomano oyo ba adweno oye bema and odi bi koma ni kunu ye reasoning trust we
na odi
and no reasoning ya dey and taking action and odi
na we na any bibie
and afọ when ya dey o when bie nti ani bie nani wa adwini when you bie eto be say when you bie you about to eat the knowledge of good and evil we say we nya boni hunim de ani papa hunim de na we are smart into odiboni ni a na adwene bi tese odiboni ni na ya dan sabi pray biasa wo jira bro sai so a ye negative brain na catch us hey ko wechi o na bebo fom ko wechi o na bebo fom utia you save your life. Me read the Bible na nkasa explain ya sa diama no enti to aso e
na we na any bibie
eno mo ni bie
na wo so ndaleja
after mu so me neke mbache wo another problem the enti am say story no e coded ne say omu say omu da deja na eche say omu nye ndi piaba no no mu nim so omu da deja nti akon be de na akon be wo monwo na monno no mu ani mie enti anka Adam ne Hawa on be dem be woman abra we nim so shatari we shatari e coded so what you say ena your sexual feelings any ade nyina no e ya ha anyhow again you have sex enya wo be ma there be say again pompi moja wo be ma kwam to me so ligira etu hu oba na we take a decision na akono no aba akono ne ba na the message akọ down ho say down ho get ready to fire sa na de ne say and everything comes to the brain, your spinal cord, and then papam black man wake up. Twas right, be black.
Na o so de dadeja.
Wo se what dadeja.
O pempa broad man han ye katenim fai.
E no pempa broad man han e de ye katenim fai.
Na o tiri Nyankopon kan so onam twom ho.
Afi wo se Nyankopon onimade nyina. God is omnipotent, God is omnipresent. Nyankopon ni baby magiatu. Enti the entire story na nie e moral lesson na nie twas right.
O tiri Nyankopon kan so onam twom ho.
Enti Adam ne Hawa according to my story, omuti Nyankopon ka e wo garden nim
wo enyumre fremu
e wo enumre enfrem
onipa ne yire ko yitai
e na Adam ne yire omko hintai
e fere Nyankopon enim
omko doji fi Nyankopon enim
wo twom ho enwie mu
e wo garden no enue nim
Erade Nyankopon e fere nipa no
e na Nyankopon frɛ at Nyankopon nimade nyina baby Adam ne Hawa omo akoko doji no Nyankopon onima no oni baby omo hye bagade e na Nyankopon frɛ
na okache ne ze
e no ka sɛ
wo he
hey Adam oh why
e no si
na Nyankopon ni biom hye e no bisa so kwahe no e no say
bitu nka wo twom ho no
meti wo nka wo twom ho no
Yesroy
Yesroy
e se na medalija
we kwa chese Nyankopon ni made omo ayo we kwa chese mo Nyankopon no oni made yesi enti hade aba kan yesi de
na okache ne se
e no ka che ne say
wo he
oh why
e no si
e na Adam say
bitu nka wo twom ho no
Nyankopon meti wo nka e wo twom ho no Misroy
e se na medalija
e fi se me ye naked with dadeja na makodoje bikintai
na okache se
e no ka che ne say
wona okache wo dalija
e na Nyankopon bi sa Adam why na ka che wo sa dadeja
na ebia me sure say indi bie na wadi
hey Adam ebia no misi mendi na wedi no na je say afei e na Nyankopon hu se ebia no aye de wedi anka Nyankopon ba ya Adam why na ka say ebia ba no because onim we Nyankopon ba to say obi a oye ignorant onim de esi this is not the God I know a book and no we invented encrypted code book no and why na God ni pa ni Adam bia be wi aseda if bia me wi aseda kan yenko
na onipa ne se
and onipa ne se
oba de be kam ho no
and oblemu say oba na o de be kam ho no
o de ma me duane abani bi
one say after making o ye body bia bia o kwatnasia na wa no ho ko na ye the brain and the heart na fa mo ko na fa mo ko ntokwa eno ni o enti Batman beblemu feelings no to so
oba na de be kam ho no
oba na de be kam ho no
o de ma me duane abani bi
eno ma me duane abani bi
na me di
eno me nso me di
Nyankopon e ka che wanse
eno Nyankopon bi so oba na say
ane na yes
and then enti the feelings where the sort of say if you want to control, if you want to do anything, the only thing you must do first is to control your feelings. When say me decode me show the moral lesson enti obisa oba na say and na feelings oh yes akoma and na yes
ena oba na say
ena oba na say
o one of that be
enya me o yi penal gland no wo no we the dada me ena me di ye
the Nyankopon e ka che wanse
ena Nyankopon ka che wo no say
ena so ayi wenti
wo no ye bedome no when bisa wo the question when bisa wo the question or bedome no esa say why wenti
wato tumu won toteboa
ya dume won toteboa
ene ewe mu aduma nyina mu
ene mu nyina mu
ye funu na benante
wo ye funu so na benante na say wo na ye mistake Nyankopon say emu nyina o dome wo no nko a na ke say o de nu mi bi to wo no ho a ono nko a no be wo sa de no ye hu a na ye hu say wei na boni o ye enti na ke say wo no wo nan ye ba dome no ye je ne nan me pa cho enti si ya dome wo a mi bisa eye wo ben eye cobra ana python because eye wo nso a nye wo nyina bi eye wo ba ku bi enti o say ke hu wo ni nyina say o mu nyina wo nan na wo ba ku bi de oni nan na e wo say ja bibla guy ra na yes ade onu ana yes ade na ba cho so o nan enti Nyankopon do me cobra so bo ni be no why black man shine your eye. We've been fooled. Agua bay, wo, but so can. Debbie, by a spinal cord. Or to say snake, or nine, kind.
You feel na benante.
You will use to benante.
What did you say?
Now, bet did dot here. Won't did dot here. Won't did dot here. They debate will be some question, and I'm didn't answer here because me the book need your questions be a baby sound won't to me here. I do the fear answer. Now the year what won't did dot here into me pamachow. Yes, I'm a tear. People in Kanyama Bem. Or one little tear, or 1 minute or minimum cosiana, Chia crack, a crack, or rim crane. Can
Now, with your
keep up, you know, or we keep up. What we keep up, you know. I will not cast what we keep up, or what we will hear. Also, did not see near Madiano. Miss Ramo, a coded book to swear.
Now, with your capital on it, or
Now, with what time ever to it or Bano, why Obano, Akumano, any spinal cord, into Akumano, any spinal cord, or time on them. Adentia or the feelings never or Gia, there will be a problem. Or time the woman them. Find the rest of them tokano, a bearman, which is the brain. It's a spinal cord, and the feelings nema commander, not brain, not ben, not brain, not be decided. Until that the man is the head. Until the case bearman, the head. Bearman, you are the head of the family. Now we are the heart of the family. Can you break?
And I was for
Any was for and then I say for them
on the boat.
On the booty.
I was working.
Now, so I can't name or be bonity or hefa. On the booty. Then I say, well, one, they be our the problem, ever on the desires or the feeling, say good, say bad you, or the baba. Now, say, I command any of the power to either accept it or not to accept. Hey, you to quite woman them to swear.
Not a bandy.
Nobody, or catch and say,
don't know. Don't know we are.
Don't know we are.
Make you some brothers.
And when you say, and yet, or bow Benham Debbie, Debbie, and when you know me, Debbie, or Benham, or Brenner, when you know me, and when you know war, almost so far some wow, Bonneman punching Debbie, Sana, Yow, name Moon, a bien. Decisions ya command Benyano, Benya broken heart. Never would you go up commend him and one the best heart so, ne break you up, still say, no new small, no new biobo, and I'm a one. Yeah, no new one, no new biobo, baby, Wakuma, that would the apono, and a deep problem, and to near my command be decided, and the just said the new saying, and your how the brano, and yet, or Baba will be break, there be. Are they? And Jenny-Man, Baba to say, go to Gosia. Ah? I will try to you know, Pions are going to keep. Ah? Or two at the quack, just at their father. Oh, and when you have bread, oh, hey, Yabro, Africa, Yabro, people are kind of right.
Young and a woman.
And it's young and a woman. Now, when you die, the heart can never do anything without the brain. And you decide feelings in the bar. No one get the brain. Now the buano, you will make a good decision. Why the control my kind of
was it?
Yes,
a young woman.
You will have a woman. Now who are feelings? When you mention who could bear here, I'm not obeying. Now I'm doing a bad day. If it so, I'm doing in the control heart. And the heart let the feelings bar. Now I'm general master and take charge. And then Tia will hear it. Now Papa will hear some of you. No. People are kind of right.
Now Adam here.
Now Adam here.
Or catch and say,
so
what's here?
Hey, Adam, Adrino, so what's your way?
What did you show say in the beginning?
Now, when dear Diana, you shall say, Nintino, won't he? Ya do me as I say. Every we are simply the decisions and the evil thoughts of men won't it nipa, ye true more day, and the nipa again, and the dear more day, any how much like Ashas and the soul. I beg, won't he? Ya do me as I say, decision. Walk us what every nipa. Now, my body of course, every nipa. Decision again. Kaye,
na ye mu na be this wo.
Ye owu ni be didi wo so.
Won kwala nyina. Na nkase ne nkyem se ne be fiama wo.
Nkase ne nkyem se ene be fiama wo.
Wo di efo so ahan.
Na be di efo so ahan.
Woni fremu na be die.
Woni fifrem, wenim, wa cha enfifre wo ti a. Wo ti wo hefa. Enya adwen ne ho. Ha? Etu ba dwen abre asam fifre wo adwen ne ho. Eno ni wenim fifre mu na be didi no. Eya adwen. Use the brain more. Use the brain. Say adwen na nya adwuma. Body ni bre ti ma adwe ni nya dwuma we ni mu fifre e na obedidi e dia ko se se wo be sa ko dotie e se mu na wo yu free e fi se e mu na yu free na wo ye dotie na be sa ko
no nipa eto ni di hawa
e no nipa eto ni yiri di hawa e ye story wo mu ko dia na ye de nsem ya beto aso na ama story na afa to aso e every say
ono wa ya asefo nyina na
ono be ya asefo nyina na
na re nyankopon aye ngoma ntade ma odipa no
ena nyankopon ye emu atade edi ma nipa no ene ne yere no o de show mo
na re nyankopon ka se
onyankopon ka se
hwe
tia ko wo won de no kan so after muntie the connection between the brain and the god tie kan wo won ka de mudi duaba bi enye owo na me no ampa o mudi duaba na Bible na nche so mu wi Adam tena said 930 years David make sure say the tree of life way on na say utie no do obeka ne utie e make good decisions here obet na wi ase brache kana
na won ka che oban say
enti wo won oni oban verse
4
no say about the verse Genesis 3:4 kaye
no won ka che oban say
wo won ka kire oba ne say
enye wo na mewu
enye wo na mu bewu
na onyankopon nim say
na onyankopon nim say
da be di no
eda wo be di bi no
woni be bie
woni be bie we eni bie e wa adwini woni be bie
na why so onyankopon
na why say wo won na e kasa no why say nyankopon
papa anybody
e hunu papa ne bone me me say my question o mu di aba no o mu hunu papa ne bone ya no mu emu oh o mu ya no mu emu o mu wu ya no mu emu o mu emu ana o mu ye say nyankopon ana mo ye say nyankopon o mu ye eye verse 19 verse 22
na re nyankopon ka say
en nyankopon wo wona kasa nyankopon ka say hwe
onipa na say mu ba ko
onipa na de
aye say mu ba ko
onipa no wa yese ye mu ba ko ba cho ye mu ba ko say nyankopon no kasa no oye ba ko na oye bebre nyankopon no kasa oye ba ko na bebre onipa no aye say nti Elohim enye singular eye plural mo bi kan che say chief force nyankopon ba ko na wa pa na ka no ni be hye aye say jemu wan ka say onipa no aye te say me o so onipa na say jemu ba ko kan
emu papa
ene bone enye na wo wona kan wo wona ka say wudi abe say nyankopon emu papa ne bone enti we na che papa ne bone we na me ye nyankopon your brain makes you God enti na me ka che bude bia say God lives in the brain you are a God my brother Ebe na pro wi ase a wunya we gosi aso dem ebe na pro wi ase a with the brain abrochre enya adwen no de si enya adwen ya de build America enya adwen ya de build Dubai enya adwen ya de build China na Africa for ye nyansa na ya adwen wan every day we are corruption bomb ye nanam ye kuta wo promo Ghana bomb e two things bomb no ya den wura Ghana and so onipa nya access to bomb e wo Ghana hadia why na the bomb na man this tells you our nation is a shithole ya den na bomb e wura kronim that's the first question enye nkrofo na mo chi omo nimpo ya den e na bomb to be fire borders e wura kronim say every borders na buy so a why na wo baby a o fi bi a man for with the bombs Mom, you're paying for. We have questions for you. You cannot answer. They be American. You're paying for. I was saying, drop 90% of the people. Now we pay the pound with the second Japan. Canada, Japan, Kuma, our Ghana Parliament. You need the part second Japan. 90% in Parliament here. Or my neighbor, what? Then call the book. The abroad. What kind? Sa. Obi bia we ni so awu Canada pa people kan go
hwe onipa na ese mu ba ko
onipa ese ye mu ba ko enti nipa ese ye mu ba ko a ye nye se nyankopon ye nye nyame be ba cho nyankopon na hye ya tade enye nipa ye ne ya se nyankopon kwa de odwan homa na hye ya ene odwan homa no ye hye bio ye yin to ntwen adwen ye de ya tade adwen ene de ye ka adwen ene de electricity adwen ene another source and actually Mr. Apostle Ko Joseph said ya so ne ye ka na say ye wuda dem kodin komo we am ntra omo adwofo Africa for me tumi nyina asa me say me makacha me I will awaken all the gods of Africa what do you me I will awaken our ancestors you see the munya hwe o Ghana ha munu nipa munu na hia na ejeni mbuate na munu na hia ejeni mbuate na munu na hia People are kind of
Only pan AC Mubako.
only police you move back on
Papa.
papa
Anybody.
any bonnet
Nothing.
nothing
The Ben one thing is that Auntie Queen you are also NDB.
aye dear Bayer now one train auntie and Quebia now when DB
Aunt's Denti.
answers intelligence answers denti
When you put it to me free, it true more say.
and then Uncle Pamo Adam and every garden him say
Uncle as I say, no if you know.
Uncle do asasia your family free mono na just as from asase no na ye dientia na just say Uncle baby or how amaneo all based on your decisions. When you make good decisions, when you use your brain, when you use the brain well, you will enjoy life, which means you are in Eden. To hear the good things, who follow the good decisions, who make it the right choices. When they get married, when the brain and the heart marry each other, when you know how to make good decisions at the right time, when making good decisions here, to make good decisions here, you will live in heaven. Agenia command and connected here, you will live in hell. Say you will eat, and one after to associate.
Now, upon Udipano.
And upon Udipano.
Now, the curriculum, any with from Afna.
It's about your Garden of Eden. There was as this one away. What can Genesis of that? Or see in CO 4 and a factory, headache, pison, Gion, any aphid, correct us with aphid, and so be sour, and so be you. Slam a code, Mesremo, Kai be black.
Now, upon Udipano.
Now, upon Udipano, where Cratchit said, where Crown, what the bad dream you are, nature said, Yanko Pong, on your merciful God. Adam and Quan will be away, one year. Only our TV are dead, one from one crunch on. And just from one warning, Adam. And Casamam my last one. No last one. There be a teaching moral lesson. A code. And a medical the amount. But okay.
Now, upon Udipano.
And upon Udipano.
Now, the cherubim.
No, the cherubim.
Any Udafna aiding him. ABC aiding Trumhon in APFM. And
on the both for the second. Both for classic. Ebedi, garden name to us.
One way in Queen Bian Pine.
Say on guided way and Quebian. Tepacho say all guided and above for guided and Quebiana. Not just say, on one film fiasa so, Yahuda. Yam film fiasa so. Name above for a day, idea. So up to today, I was saying, on your question. Your question, your correct. Tebaka bought for each other, classic as a challenge. Here, people are. I don't know how. Oh, my boy, Cabano garden inside. Shall you bought for the near view? Shall I say, can you soprano? She, I don't know now. I want that. That's way. The Bamcha way. Any other beer. A coded book. They see the tree of life. The brain and the spinal cord. Especially your third eye, which is the pineal gland. Good. Be black. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 13. After my brother Bede. Tio, wow, Bible. Proverbs 3:13. Bible. Yeah, one book way. I don't know one sheet. Tie. Meaning one sheet all Bible. Meaning masala waso. Mubukui. Aputo. Meaning one sheet. Meaning masala waso. Now, we are said that day. One can ye. What was a semimaya? Memino. Be black. Proverbs 3. The tree of life. Wow, book no. Once a proverb no and Bebusem or Bebube, not the actual kind.
Proverbs 3:18.
Proverbs 3, verse 13.
Verse 13.
Verse 13.
Was it?
Yes.
It's not Udipa Umunyansa.
And shadow the poya then. I didn't even do Tie, wisdom, a hand walk. Oh, and shla, any on the pa, or Umunyansa, or Piana, Brofro Craned, that be the good news will not be where so come. Can you say anyone the part or who nyansa? Anyone say brain, wisdom, understanding, intelligence, insight, knowledge, wisdom, understanding, intelligence, knowledge. Ningina and about fruit computer wa ni na ha ne wo wo ye intelligent efre waden wo be ye knowledge efre waden enti kan ye se the start biom
was ishani onipa ohunyansa
ishani wonipa wo hu nyansa enye ishani obi okwa asori o se ishani wo a wo hu nyansa
onipa onya ntiase
eni onipa onya ntiase
na emu adinya simvita die
na emu adinya nyansa no adwen no o yusu a ade a obenya no esene dwete
na ne faso esen mitika mapa
na ne mfaso esene sika mapa
ne bo edin se mota
nyansa adwen no ne bo ye den echen diamond
na afedi nyina
na ewiase afafedi nyina
on fa to pon
ye go Proverbs chapter 8 over to ye mfa untumi for gold diamond embe tutu adwen no to aso
onyinchere ewo ni fem
onyinchere enie onyinchere ewo ni fem
de benkum ekura ade
na ni benkum ekura ade
ni enibonyam
nifa bankum onie people like kind of say say
was onyinchere o ni fem
onyinche o pese wunyincha ewo ni fem
ni benkum kura ade
na ni benkum ekura ade
ni enibonyam
enibonyam
na kwan akwan efe
nyansa na kwan ade a fe
na sayina asomdie
na sayina ya asomdie
enkwa bia
enkwa bia enkwa bia tree of life enkwa bia
ema ona osoni mu
enkwa bia tree of life Ghana ni mwenyi nda ho twi na meka mesraw we nya brofo ukrom kasa twi ya nya mudelio tree of life brofo ni nsu ma brofo ni nsu
Verse 13
mo asofo ne de medwuma mentiase Bible school mu kono na baba frame debate you see how Bible asande gwa mama bese mu say oh adusia people are carrying for
happy is anyone who becomes wise
abba happy is anyone who becomes wise,
who
gains understanding.
There is more profit in it.
There is more profit in it
than there is in silver.
Than there is in silver.
It is worth more to you than gold.
It is worth more to you than gold.
Wisdom is more valuable than jewels.
Wisdom is more valuable than jewels.
Nothing you would want can compare with it.
Nothing you will want can compare to it.
Wisdom offers you long life.
Wisdom offers you long life.
As well as wealth and honor.
As well as wealth and honor. So say nyansa ebema usika na sam wani munyam. O se bu nyansa na say na compassion na matoka. Woni mani dia me ho ahemfo ani mpanyumfo na freme. Ba se de nyansa te enti yes start no me ka kire yaguda mo say fill your brain with wisdom, not your pocket with money. Party. Woni munyansa na wo ye de etere a bibi ani wiase a won sanka. You don't need to be a scammer. You don't need to be a liar. You don't need to be a thief to be rich. You need to be intelligent and do what is right. God, the blessing will come. And the first God will bless you. Obe pass years I say nyansa. Obe wali enye nyansa. Na wali na enye nyansa. Ah, obe to no manyum na yede. Enyum na yeda. Enye nyansa ni good rhymes. This boy is a gangster. Bukom banku boxer. Bon rhyme. Bon. Osoli anopa. Shisha ne dia. Shisha no ka shisha. Shisha ne ganja. Shisha ne ganja. Shisha ne ganja so de fra. No one rhyme me. Na ye de. Tisha tawale bon mu na ke tie nyedro. Aya green rhymes. Kofi Kinata. Yaman the best writer. What's Nancy? No ama green na ya juma. No wa shisha nyom. When you are going to green. Oh, I'm going to green and green and include the word also any green. Hey, rhyming. Now to some question, no idea what. Whoa, rhyming. Now, Gina Yajuma, sir, Kodon Kansa said to me and Regime. Ninyansa, I know they prepare me. I don't back out vessel. Only at now, not for Winyansa, and I saw them all. Now every day, Kobon Pie, and Jimmy Ford to talk us. People we tag as foolish and evil people enjoy life. And they are the most intelligent people. Ubetwini Quaresta Dessia, I saw them Osha. One in the bed Dessia, Ubetwini Aboniada. Asana Davi, Obama, West Bank, ɛna wobɛka na ade adada ɛbɔne adwene na sɛe enti ɛma na yɛtage ɔm sɛ ɔmo yɛ ahyɛwofoɔ no ɛyɛ den sɛ ɔne ne bɛda ɔmo mu si asɔ dɛm hyira nkanyame ayɛ nkanidi ne mprafoɔ 6 asɔ dɛm hɔ mo ani na hɔ na wiase nyansa ne de bɔ bra kenkanea ma bɛn
wisdom can make your life pleasant.
Abba, wisdom and your life becoming pleasant and being in Eden, heaven. Wisdom can make your life pleasant
and lead you safely through it. Those who become wise are happy.
Those who become wise are happy.
Wisdom will give them life.
Wisdom will give them life. Wisdom will give you life. And to answer the tree of life from and you again. Proverbs chapter 8. Hi, where do I mean bones? African or Granny Baba started. Watch out, don't me first track. I've been we Shatawali preaching I've been worshiping it now. May a movie. Me told you my first track. What's it? Oh, Rafi, Muntia Living Bible. Proverbs chapter 8, and I'm what? Proverbs 3, verse 13. Living Bible, kind.
The man who knows right from wrong.
The knowledge of good and evil, right, wrong, it will bring. Can you say
the man who knows right from wrong?
The man who knows right from wrong
and has good judgment.
Judgment. Abba, hey. Living Bible, we are more. Judgment for her, and knows right judgment
and common sense.
And the
common sense.
CSF, Mutiana, can you?
The man who knows right from wrong.
The man who knows right from wrong
and has good judgment.
And
common sense.
And common sense. Blah. Margini tomorrow. Wow, Bible. Common sense family. Sally or Bible. CSF. We get the Bible, we get everywhere. Can you imagine?
And common sense.
And common sense
is happier than the man who is immensely rich.
Is happier than the man who is immensely rich.
For such wisdom
is
far more valuable than precious jewels.
It's far more valuable than precious jewels.
Nothing else compares with it.
Nothing else compares to common sense.
Wisdom gives a long life.
Wisdom gives long life.
Good life.
Wisdom gives good life.
Riches.
Wisdom gives you good life, riches, Hannah, pleasure, peace.
Wisdom is a
when I'm saying money, no pleasure. Would you any kakra compete? Why your money? Yeah, when you kakra pay, wait you do. Oh, why you know? That's okay.
Wisdom is a tree of life.
Abba. Wisdom is a tree of life.
To those who eat her fruit.
Her fruit.
Happy is the man who keeps on eating it.
Happy is the man who keeps on eating it. And Shani wa so yede e di naba. Na say Shani obi odi na adwe be yede. E be yeduma. Na black man. Me say mo adwe nya aduma. Wo se me from ansam. Proverbs 8:1.
Proverbs 8:1.
Proverbs 8 verse 1.
Nyansa kan fo ne ho.
Nyansa be man ho fanse kakra. Yawuda. Yawuda. We be black. Can yanko.
Was nyansa kan fo ne ho.
Nyansa obe man ho fanse is common sense. Obe present ho kakra. Be black kan no ye.
Was eno enye nyansa ene tie mu.
Was eno enye nyansa tie ha obe bube. Wo we ye personification of wisdom ageno kind.
Na entiasema ne so.
Yawuda, manisu kakra ba. Baba. Ko hwe bag ni so benya ya hanki ama. People are kind mami.
Eno enyansa ne tie mu.
Osi anu enye nyansa na etie mu.
Entiasema ne so.
Na entiase understanding. Excuse me a minute. Majo kan.
Wasi enye enu nyansa ne tie mu.
Mo se ni. Ya uda ko share no. Slamu Ghana for. Mama ni na ho. Me ka kira mo take it time me. Somebody like me. Mo nhia bi wo wiase biom. Na wiase na say. People like us are born once in every 1,000 years. Me na me ka kira. Obi obenya ne man ho do. Empien crofo ani say. Wan hwa wo nya biom. Na right. Can you? Man, I will be the most hated person in my country. And I will be the most loved. I will be the most hated and people will love me. Can you? But future generations will come and praise me. Man, even if I die today, I am a hero. Shout that kind one thing. Stone the kind.
If I die today,
Stone boy. Oh, because I shut up. Vamos a munha collabo ba ko. So, kan
was eno nyansa ne tie mu.
O se no enye nyansa ti unam a obeso bisa se enye wa adwen e na ye no kasa no.
Entiase ma ne so.
Na entiase won se won kasa se sabi udi nkwase asem a wa hu se nkwase asem na wudi. O te na wa adwen kire se wa de wuye ye nye. O kontra trotro mu. Se de ne papa e kase wa hu se nye. Wow, entiase e ma ne so.
Susu etifi.
O paso a che se sunsu etifi.
Okwan so. Enkwanta so ene jina.
Enkwanta so ena nyansa jina pacho. O paso a che se ewiase. Public toilet kura nyansa wo ho. Ye wo ma de ene wo mema de. O kwa no wasensu. Wo wure mo wasensu ani afa se boss come fetch water. E no be the flash ya ma. And no same way you do Ghana public toilet mara. To se be bia nyansa jina ho. Ti bi nia sua nyansa ho. Ti wan sua nyansa wa Ghana wa san dia kwatra buruchi. Ghana ha we akwaleti. But you can
na otiem
aprokasia ho
e
wo krotia wo aboboa no se
mo emeluma
nko mo merima ma
metie me frem
e na me nyansa se e ye merima ma e no tie mu fra yen
na me jigman pama
nyansa se ne voice e jigman pamba ti nyansa o kasa kire go bia e wo bi etirim eni nyankopon no kasa. This is where God lives. Na nyankopon ka kire Abraham say e ya adwen Tena si ye rade me ba na nyankopon me kasa se me mfa enye nyankopon e ya gen no wa gini make it give you decision who now try free choice who kontra ken who ra ken BBC form enye nyankopon e ya gen no so na kasa or you unlimited that professional into so no at times so to me dey besi no ne wa kasa e no enye nyankopon asem sa na mi pa ye tie nyame kan ne enko
wasemonti kwa
mama
ni enti
ba chaw o se sabi ekurasi ni amu people kamam
wasemonti kwa
montete kwa
mo ni enti
wo ye ekurasi ni amu ni enti na sabi prebiasa wa wo hwe na wo ye kwase a nya ihunumu akoma muntie
na be kan se mu da ho
ene nwumre ye be kan se mu do
manum ebie de semete ne ba
nyansa se nanum bie nyansa so ni ano na emom okasa wo wutirim menum bie e de nsam a etene ba na no kure efrimi nyansa menum na nyansa se ono na no echiwade ene abjade a nyansa mpe eye bone enti ukodi bone a na wakoma ene wadwen ene wo yaden ene wo ko wo yam roba wo ti police pe na wo dwane to so
na menum nsem ina nam tini
mu
ade echinchim
ade atia very common sense ade echinchim
ana se chia enimu
ana echia enim wo beji $2,000 after buy also beji 2,000 Ghana na dollars ne Ghana the same the value is not the same inti nyansa on party echinchim ko build the website kaka dia Ghana now see unya 800,000 Ghana we nyansa bi anim nyansa nim kai
ne nyina mu da ho ma ehunumufo
ade nyina mu da ho Emma Iwunumufo.
It's never one who knew.
Na etnema wona ohun nimdie
na momfa mata se ni
nyansa se momfa me atene na nya dwete
na momfa nimdie
na
monye sika awayi
na sa wofa nimdie na wusue nyansa na adwene ye adwuma wobeye se gold a ye yijim
na nyansa ese mota
na nyansa eye better ese diamond
na awafedi nyina
ote na wiase afafedi nyina da
wo fa nto ho
ya mfa nto nyansa ho
me nyansa
mi nyansa
me ni etie na etie
nyansa se oni enitie enete enti wonim nyansa wani ate me ni enitie enete
na adwempa nimdie na mhono
adwempa nimdie ena mikunu
Ewurade suro ni bontan
Ewurade suro ene bontan
awon che ne hantan
enti akasa usuro Ewurade a ene de
wasi Ewurade suro ni bontan
ya kasa usuro Ewurade a ene se wo kan bone ahokyere ene hantan ene okwan bone
akontoji sama no na mi
ene akontoji sama no ena obejai ene te se usuro Ewurade umuwe se wo ye Kristo ni umuwe kenkani ba dem
wasi efuto nya se
wosi aso dem awi so for them some come shall we shame fear rade was a measure esa se nyankopon bia ni ba bi obeya ohwe tibodi ni din edin samfo a na mo ka se mo ye smart mo ye crusade wi na mo chesika na mo hwa atom didi mo didi members mo ye crusade wi na mo asofo mo hia na mo che 1 billion Ghana na ba ya na hwe didi mo didi members na tem na yale fo yale Oba bewu na waje the 1,000 Ghana na wantu nyanya ho hwe onyansa wen Ghana fo mo ho asofo na mo nya no people can eba bem
efuto nyansa hu no wo
efuto eni nyansa hu no e wo me
meni hu no mo
nyansa so no ni insight meni hu no mu
mani wo be
na meniye e wo me
besu na anfo enam de hene
me nyansa eye me so e na anfo nam edi hene wawu na na wajimida se nana no oya bofra kra na yedi mpanyimfo ayeden etwa ne ho ahia na mpanyimfo no efidi no with nyansa enti nya ohene entumi mbu oman abra nyansa ni ho to oman Ghana akaye nyansa na oman de ko nanim sa apostle kodosafo na ye nyansa ehunu no de na ye big problem yes Ghana is a shit hole me na me ka chira say apostle wo na ye mpanyimfo nyina ehu we have leaders can you about them?
Mesuna infunam de hene.
Mesuna infunam de hene.
It is set in Martin.
Na etitre lawyers and judges. And I'm so as a matrene.
Mesuna penifo nam di peni.
I am so and I'm paying for them the penny. Any abrempon.
Any asasu atemu nyina.
Any asasu temu nyina.
Medie.
Nyansa se medie.
Me do na do be.
Wo do me amedo.
Na wo no hwe me ntem hu be.
Na wo hwe nyansa so abeden. Nyansa so do no beba. Ti America fogu ni nyansa hwe mukuro. Ah? Britain for who nyansa hwemukuro Africa ye nyansa why where is our brain Africans when will our brain start working can you go awunyade
me edumunyam wo ho
ote awunyade eni enumunyam e wo mi nyansa me ho ahode
e chere ne tin ni
e dey in Africa in a shit whole country is when you have all the resources and you are still poor. When you have the raw materials and you cannot process them into finished good, is a typical example of a shithole. The greatest shithole is when you have the resources and you have one of your own people who can manufacture machines for you to bring the raw materials as a finished product, and you don't want to pay attention to that person. That is a typical definition of a shithole country. And Ghana is among, and I'm proud to be part of it. People like Kenkai, Niambabem.
awunyade
enumunyam enumunyam mo mi nyansa me ho ahode ya chale ene trene
na maba esika ne amapa
maba eye sika ne amapa
me no bai ese vita awayi
na me no bai ese ne vita yejijim
tini atempomu na menam
tini atempomu na mi nyansa menam
atemu akwan so pe se me mama dofo edi ade
se mi nyansa me mama dofo edi ade
wasomade krade mama
na ma hye wona de krade amama
Ewurade ko me edifi nyuma ase
enti Ewurade bo mi nyansa efiri ni nyuma ase ewi ase ade edi kan eye nyansa metu ya ka che se eye nyansa ene bo wi ase the world was created by wisdom. When I'm saying on the fingerprint of God on every creation. Now both teachings we measure. P Black. Can you about them? Thank you, P Black. Read the Bible for me. Everybody for me nyansa efre ni nyuma se. Enyuma fit tinimu edik enye Jesus yo eye nyansa edikan. Odimi esi ho. Onyankopon de mi nyansa esi ho. Odimi nya we obube o. Enye se wo nyankopon bi o. Nyansa sa no ka kire. Odimi si ho. Every 3 day, every 50 years, Ansana Asaseba, Ebuni ni hono, na mi nyansa wo hodada. Na se nyansa ni hodada o. Okay, Genesis chapter 1. Na tell me time Nyankopon bones you. The Genesis story will tell you it is not your God who created water. There's answer Nyankopon ba be hye abode asem. Na ensuo ye den e wo hodada. Who created water? Can you about them? Ebuni ni hono. Na mi nyansa wa wo me. Isutri e ban so pi ni hono. E sutri ben so pi ni hono. Onya fa me pon si ho. Ebra Nyankopon nyanka people si ho. Na nkoko enyamaye no. Na hills nkoko enyamaye no. Na mi nyansa wa wo me. Onya nyasase eni nwurem. Ebra Nyankopon nyanya asase eni nwurem. Eni wiase futuro no. Osisi osho no. Ebra Nyankopon osiesi national team. Munjai kasa ni teach me bia. Munjai. Berkisu ni national team munye dey right CSF member no moye 8 omo ye 9 but kisu obi se moye 9 kisu papa bi se member ye 9 bra moye 9 bra no mu ya this but kisu moye 9 moye say 8 moye 8 moye sure bra kisu Mariam Joseph Nakusta Ketura Eliakim Galia and Batia Ana beautiful children. Okay, thank you. Omo ye 8. Why? Ye 9. Kan afena no mana. Afena no mana. Kan you president. Onya nya asase anyway. Oh, nyansa nti wo memba. Onya nya asase. Any wurem. Any wiase futuro no. Osisi osho. Ebra Nyankopon osiesie so no. Na mi nyansa. Yo, jese nyansa no ko sa. Mo Nyankopon no. Ubetumi abode abrawu ni munyansa osiesie so na me wo ho ebra otwa ebunani kontonkron ode bunu kusisan so pintin no ebra Nyankopon de mununkum sensan so pintin na ebunu ani won so pai ne na ebunu ani won so pai denden ebra Nyankopon twa pohye na ensu antra ode asase papem to won na mi nyansa me wo Nyankopon chen se ne doba na me na dodie dada na mi nyansa na me ye Nyankopon na dodie dada na za de Nyankopon pe ene de nyansa to aso na meni ji wo Nyankopon nim abrenyinem na meni ji ni wiase asase so ne ni ji ni wiase asase so na meni ka wo nipa memu nyansa si ne nika e wo hefa nipa mem na kese bebi opeso tena no eye nipa mu nyansa pe bebi atena Ghana fo ya manyansa ko nya no ntena se wate ya manyansa kwan no betena yemu twa so kan na afi Emma nyansa se omo kasa se ne ma ne mo enti nyansa se Emma montie me nshira no na odi ma kwan so nshira ne mo a mo bedi mi nyansa ma kwan so montie asante ne montie atena tene na mo hunu nyansa na montie tuya me pa cha me tuya nyansa wo Emma bu fumi o ebusia utem sofo we creative fake account odi be di matem waso siyanyansa o wa movement e bie enkrofo ni wo krom ha sei da ye nyamba TV ye nyamba radio e be peja wate people can yan to na muntie da bo point na de wasi muntie atene na munhunu nyansa na muntie don't rebel against me ni bie wani twatwe ishali onipa otie me ishali onipa otie me na onwe mapra no dada na onwe you will be wo ye mba life wa no mo ho kran to won adentia nyansa to se ishira no am wochi nyansa common sense apuna no dada wo hwe maboboa no apunwa so na wo hwe maboboa no apunwa so na de hu me no ehun kwa na wo obehunu nyansa no wo hunu kwa enye Jesus say Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No, nyansa and abenyankwa. Jesus recording the cheap na we jimia obeshe. Reverend Jesus akai. Ayi frusiano. Eyama ba ko 10. E jimi 4-5. Eni nyansa 4-5. Wanu na nyankwa no, nyansa 4 no. Jesus atira mo say, we jimi kakra, wudi na chi enye ye, Kristo di su nyansa. What it? Many of you nyansa o. Na nyansa. Won't we for the pian to ton? Can you imagine?
The ohumi no ehun kwa.
The ohumi nyansa no hunu kwa.
Na onyere ade ho eni.
Na ubenya ewurade ho eni so abey. Ade a we ya ewurade be respect o. Eni se buni mu nyansa. People like read the Bible for me.
The ohumi no ehun kwa.
The ohumi no hunu kwa.
Na onyere ade ho eni so.
Na wonya ewurade kwa eni so.
Na the ofom me no edi ni kra bro.
Wa wo be fom nyansa no. Wodi wo kra abro.
Wona otam nyina do owo.
Wa wo tan common sense no. Wo tan wo wuo. Ya wie Genesis 3 and you decode the amount. CSF. Wait, at the media bench. When in now. You want to about money. Then Genesis 3. The tree of life are giving an spinal cord. It is said here. And the tree of life. Snake no. And the spinal cord. Or bano. Feelings, which is the heart. Heart decides, heart. And a feelings, no, and the feelings never. And a bema, a reasoning, and the brain. You can say, Kesa, a being in hell. And you can say, oh, Eden, a place of pleasure. Who you saw again here, you live in Eden. When you saw again here, you live in hell. Any place, a fellow won't say, Giant, but she there be. And I made decoded the amount. Madame Nasi. Your quantum pendant, they be all. Now, me catch them say, what will pay a person or tongue? Frame your channel. Yeah, we are more beyond frame my bread. I have frame your channel. Why? Number is 0244 856241. And your percent, and your call radio station back. Almost take common sense. Almost one more chance into your checking radio station. The back Apostle Joseph for near I say, Benya airtime. You're going airtime now, and the better when him. Now, Mabua, near to me, I got airtime. Ewo Kantaka TV. Said be a teaching no ebeko. Ni enu anu mugun krase, eni ya ma me no mo come market no. Enye bieti. Afei so, ya pese upgrade your Facebook live no. Na ba in a TV form. Ye yan laptop, any cam. Yeah, na ebe cost 4,000. Ebi ma send contribution kakra. Wo pese wo bua na wa frame number 0244 856241. Me pacha watch na me ba Kumasi or say Krum me ba. Because of Alliance Emotion Global. A business in Tina Beba. Wow, you business minded. You need team member. Serious squad. Any eba. Ya boy ho. Yeah. Tieba. Watch na child. We had any aba. Me family me bush ya phobi. Ewo Mosi Zongo. Wow, be Mosi Zongo no. E wana me ba watch na. And watch na me ba Kumasi. Nte wow ben na wa frame na yeshia ewo in global office. Your office no ewo asafo na your office no Golden Home Touch abrosen no Alliance Emotion Global watch na you be share office for 11 o'clock 10:30 we share office for but frame and sawaba they just sit him out na bet your business presentation that excellent business na you na to me ko eno na ma ya oba dia no ya dia just small card dia eja e pa de manage kakakakran ena ya braba ko so be phone repairing school wo nua bi obabi opeso kwa o frame a na me de number no e de amam me da mu na ase o ma bi yale o busi ni bi yale wo o pese wo ton quantum pendant segi menya nipa me no wo UK who was Spain because Ghana for the baby na to me nchen tie o pe bi atoma e beti so de amam na also waton na dey business na wo bi enya bi e your phone radiation me da mu na ase em say me voice ya me da mu na ase chechi am na ena ya take common sense family for CSF ladies into contact Oyoba contact Pamela Brown dache hima ene mani koko Sarah Redu mu nyinagum me pacho Sarah Redu ene Pamela Brown ene dache hima ne mani koko said the creative group amount for the deans and phone or momos so ti pacho obemo no be discipline ye creative group ye ni secret ye practice magic yes ramo o bedwani a bedwani din mini WhatsApp group bi abio me problem common sense no me ne Yahuda ni people like start yade ye to aso ye hia obi a ye be yade ye sram Ghana for say yade Ghana for esa yade e me bi ke kan sam ama enya me na me pengini a nka me ne Yahuda kra dem ba be say eye ye dam ase mo agwa ye kakra ye be yade ye ne ye common sense family ye obeboa no beboa ye dam nyina ase CSFT will die I salute you o dam nyina ase hwe hu yi be bia wo bia no be dam nyina ase mo bompire mo bo kakra ma me na me nyinche na me ndi be 400 years said that a message in the best ready what is sham CSF till we die but I'm gonna say bye more share videos on why thank you for the way so sweet yeah Yahuda you ya bomb I'm giving